Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can use tracking picture in CapCut. So tap on your project, select your video with the moving object. So here I already have one video with moving object. So how to use tracking picture? Just add the overlay before. So I'm going to add text as an overlay. Just tap on text, add text, and I'm going to add the and just for the size, and just put the text on the object we want to track. Tap on check mark just for the duration until finish the video. So just tap on the text and you can find the tracking option here. Just tap on it and then just select an object to track. So make sure and just tap on tracking. So here we go. It's so simple, but I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.